What is up, y'all? It's your girl Bami. It's been a minute since I've given you guys like a vlog. I know I look super shiny. That's the baseline on my face, so please don't start too much. I always get lost in this building because it's so huge. Anyway, I'm here for Friendsgiving. And I was like, you know what? I haven't vlogged in a minute. Let me just vlog for you guys. Get some end of the year content out the way. I'll come back when I find the gym.
Ask me what I'm thinking about, his money on my mind. Her in my DMs, but she's screaming that he's mine.
Today, I thought it would be really fun to do one of the Stallion's workouts, and I haven't been in the gym in a while, so this could be one big grave mistake. But I'm gonna put the video I'm following right here to the side, and we're gonna see. I think I can do a pretty good job. Hopefully it don't hurt. I don't feel like it's going to hurt, but then again, I don't know because I haven't been to the gym in maybe like, maybe like 2 or 3 weeks, I want to say. I feel like 3 weeks. So I'm going to stretch to make sure that I am limber enough to do the things that she was doing in that video because y'all. So I'm gonna reference 2 videos. I'm gonna reference Stallion's video, and then I'm actually gonna reference another TikTok I saw somebody doing it, which inspired me to do it. I feel that, oh my gosh. That shit hurt. That shit hurt. That was my first time. That hurt. And okay, next, one-legged hip thrust. Thank God they're not weighted, that's what I would say, but I am not ready for this. I don't think I can even prepare myself for this. We just have to go and do it. Oh my gosh. I wanted to do 10. I wanted to do 10. I am not going to do 10. That. And do some limited sumo squats. And these don't look fun either. They actually look very painful. Very, very painful. I feel like I chickened out because the 10 pounds, but I upped my rep to 15. But I'm telling you, I still feel it. And I don't know if this is the best idea, but we're already just deep into it, so might as well. The weight, so I have a little bit more height, but I don't know if this is a smart thing to do. So we shall see. I feel like this will be the final burn. This is the last one. Push down. Just finished the workout, and I see my leg shaking like that, y'all. This was hard. It wasn't my hardest leg day, but I feel like it was definitely more strength training. So, okay. I'm back. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Now I'm back. It's currently 3. Halima should be back soon, but I'm gonna get started on the plantain. Okay, I feel like I got started a little late. I know I got started late because look at how much plantains I have to cut. These are all the plantains I have to cut. I don't know how many they are, but I'm gonna count and show you guys when I'm done. But I'm about to get started on that because that's gonna take me some time. So I'm probably gonna speed edit that and come back when I'm done. So I just finished the plantain that tried to take me out, y'all. That oil was popping and locking and dropping. But here it is. I hope it tastes good. Yeah, y'all, that was hard. Trying to say something, Moni?
Are you sick?
It was hard. I was fighting for my life.
Guys, I hope the plantain tastes good. It looks like she did a good job. It looks. Let me look. Okay, she did. It's brown. Yeah.
It's brown.
It's not black, it's brown.
Okay, points were made. But yeah, I'm supposed to start getting ready, y'all. It took me 2 hours to fry that thing. I hate that for me. And now I'm supposed to do get ready with me with Halima, but I'll see. If we don't get to it, I might just go live. So if y'all don't follow me, make sure y'all follow me. I'll catch the live. But that's about all I got for y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm dressed, ready, and we out the door. What's up, guys? So we just finished the video. We are dressed and we're running out the door because we were supposed to leave an hour ago. And babe, as you can see, we did not leave yet. So we about to be on our way to Friendsgiving #1. This is the day after our Friendsgiving #1. Actually went really good. I had a time. Did you have a time, Halima?
A time was had, yes.
A time was in fact had. We're on our way to Costco right now to pick up some stuff for Friendsgiving #2. This is the one I'm most excited for. Are you most excited for this one?
Mac and cheese, that's my food.
She already told you her plate. I don't even know, y'all. I don't even think I showed y'all my plate yesterday. I might have a video. Hopefully I'll insert the clip.
The rasta pasta.
Oh, I had to take some of that. That rasta pasta, the second rasta pasta, not
and
the
the
first
plantains.
one. I did them plantains down.
Good.
I
feel like it's a science to get like plantains the right amount of ripe. Them plantains are good.
It was really a team effort, you know. Halima secured and procured the plantains and ripened them, and I fried them. So, you know, we love a group effort. But this time around, I think that, didn't we park upstairs?
No.
Yesterday? Oh, I don't live here. I don't know. But yeah, on our way to Costco, I'm gonna try to do those food shopping vloggy styles. Y'all, I'm getting out of my comfort zone. I'm actually gonna show you guys what I do instead of just tell y'all. So hope for the best. I might get a little camera shy. So if I do, yeah, I won't see much. Oh, and I'm going to try Pilates today. I feel like this is a very good week for me fitness-wise because I did the little Meg the Stallion workout. Let me tell y'all, I felt the burn. And then we about to try some Pilates. So I'm gonna show you what that be like. Okay. But we got the stuff. Okay.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Now we just have to get time on our hands. And my camera's about to die, so let me stop recording because I definitely have to get it for Pilates. I mean, record Pilates, but I'll catch y'all there. It is currently 7:05. Time escaped us bad. Pilates didn't happen. Nap took us out. Stone cold. But as you can see, I'm up, I'm ready, I'm dressed, I'm cute, and we're getting ready for Friendsgiving part 2. I don't know why the camera is making me look like I have on the most blush in the world, but it's a lie. I have on just enough. But yeah, let's get to the next Friendsgiving. Guys, so I completely did not vlog during the Friendsgiving, but I'm gonna do it right now. Here I have my friend Kofi and this woman I do not know. I do not know this woman. It's crazy. I do not know this woman. It's so crazy. I do not know this woman at all. It must have been. Anyway, Kofi. You know who got ready with do y'all know this woman? You don't know who got ready with a stranger? I'm being attacked. It's okay, you'll come fine. Anyway, Kofi, is there anything you want to say?
Your name today?
So today, my name is...
No, earlier you said you were the
Oh, my name is Bami. Period.
Bami back.
Period.
And what else? The poet?
Yes, I am a poet.
She got bars.
I do.
You have to check her out.
Y'all should.
That lectures for everybody.
For the people down.
For the bad.
The people down.
You feel like the bad.
The bad bitches too.
Right.
We love those.
Support Big Bami.
Thank you.
All the time.
Every time.
Don't forget to stream. Stream.
Stream a player's player. Out right now.
And if you're new to it, describe, you go all the way back to what's the first one?
The first one?
The one that he claimed. He said that the one you told him to listen to.
Oh, IGM.
Go listen to that.
Thank you. And that's what Bami has to say. If you guys are not a fan, y'all better tap in.
Hi guys, I love my friends. I love Thanksgiving food. I love to be here. I love wearing blonde hair, love Beyonce.
Period.
What's going on, y'all? We live from Friendsgiving. Let me show y'all victory.
Okay,
right here.
Oh, period.
Gift card from Trivia.
Period, yeah.
Yeah, about 21 points.
Period.
It was too easy, but you know, we're here Friendsgiving, socializing, eating, drinking, having fun.
I'm a sore loser, but I should have won.
Period.
I should have. I'm gonna let everybody else have it though, because they deserve it. But the real winners over here.
Okay, and we knew that.
It was a blast. We had no, but we did not need that.
How y'all doing? You know, gift card, $25 so card. I'm about buying some gas, you know.
Oh, period, yeah.
You know, it's not about the mind, you know.
Oh.
You know what I mean? So,
Period.
but be thankful. Everything's getting money.
Hey guys, Busy Baby, back again. We're here for Thanksgiving. I have fun. I lost the trivia, but it's okay because my partner was late. But it's okay, you know. It was competitive. Chim was going crazy, and I was going crazy. Everybody was going crazy. Yeah, I had a fun Thanksgiving.
Like celebration of my age.
Is there anything you want to say to the vlog?
Hey vlog! Happy Friendsgiving!
Happy Friendsgiving!
Happy to be here. Good vibes. Period with my favorite friend in the whole wide world. The only friend I've ever known. Halima Dima. She hurt my feelings and then I hurt her feelings. But she loves me. Try the sound of it. She loves me so much. Say cheese. She said she did not know me. She said she hates me. We know. Blasphemy. Say it again. Say it again. She loves you. Love you. You are loved. You are loved by all. By many, actually. Is it by you? On some days. Is it today? Today happens to be. Thank you. Halima loves you so much. Thank you guys.
Hi guys, it's your hostess with the mostest, and thank you guys for coming to my Friendsgiving. It's been really fun. We played trivia. It was my money. I don't know if I'm hosting next year. We'll see how I feel. I don't know. I might just bring the rice, but love you guys.
Your face on a shirt, but you still irrelevant. Put your hands in the air, it's a stick up, stick up. Bitches still trying to beat me, time to give up, give up.